Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Magicfly sewing machine. This machine is not easy to sew too thin, too soft and elastic fabrics. There is a threading direction on the machine which helps you easily threading. And this item was designed with mini size and one stitching type which is not complicated but match the basic home sewing demand. Double threads design make the stitching stronger and end sewing without tying the thread. There is a speed button on the product to turn the speed in high or slow according to your demand. We provide 42 pieces sewing accessory which includes 36 pieces bobbin, 5 pieces needles, 1 threader, 1 scissors and 1 tape measure, 1 extension table which makes the sewing machine more stable and works better on large project, and 1 portable bag fits most needs in sewing. The mini sewing machine is suitable for both beginners and children. Our second best sewing machine for beginners is Singer M1500 sewing machine. The Singer M1500 sewing machine is lightweight and portable, making this one a great choice for taking to sewing class or for sewing in smaller spaces. Thanks to preset stitch length and width, even beginners will find this machine super easy to use. Mechanical sewing machines are easy to use and maintain, and they have manual controls that stand the test of time. Popular stitches are built in to handle basic sewing, home projects, alterations and more. Essential techniques for all types of sewing projects. Create consistent buttonholes in a style to suit your needs. Sew fashions, piece quilts, create crafts or do simple mending with the reliable Singer M1500 sewing machine. With adjustable stitch length and width, setup is simple and frustration-free. Features including 6 built-in stitches, an automatic 4-step buttonhole, and a heavy-duty metal frame make fashion sewing and other creative projects fun and easy. Third choice in our list is Brothers CS6000i sewing machine. This user-friendly and portable sewing and quilting machine offers a wide range of quilting and sewing features. The CS6000i features 60 built-in sewing stitches, including decorative stitches and 7 styles of one-step buttonholes. There are 9 presser feet included in this machine: buttonhole, overcasting, monogramming, zipper, zigzag, blind stick, button fitting, walking, and spring action quilting foot. This machine also includes a detachable wide table that is perfect for larger quilting projects. The Brothers CS6000i sewing machine has been engineered for ease of use. A simple-to-view backlit LCD display, an automatic needle threader, easy-to-follow threading diagrams, and an adjustable sewing speed control system are all included. An easy-to-see, brightly lit sewing area is quite helpful when sewing on dark fabrics. An automatic needle threader has been added to perfectly align thread through the needle. A built-in free arm helps to assist with sewing pant legs, sleeves, and other cylindrical items. The CS6000i sewing machine also includes a hard machine case, making it a perfect traveling sewing machine. Number 4 in our side is Brother XR3774 sewing machine. The Brother XR3774 includes 37 built-in stitches including blind hem, decorative and quilting stitches, and a one-step buttonhole. This sewing and quilting machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. The XR3774 quilting and sewing machine comes with a machine cover, wide table, 8 sewing feet, instructional DVD, and more. The Brother XR3774 is perfect for a wide range of everyday sewing and quilting projects, and users from beginners to advanced user. Last in our top 5 best sewing machine for beginners list is Brother CS5055 PRW sewing machine. Create high-end fashions at an affordable price, with this incredibly easy to learn and use. The CS5055 PRW offers complete couture-level solutions to help you leverage your sense of style into one-of-a-kind, runway-ready fashions. Experience easy, Reliable threading of both top and bottom threads, virtually effortless sewing on a wide range of fabrics, and the ability to add professional quality buttonholes, zippers, decorative top stitching and neat, overcasting edges to your favorite creations. The CS5055 PRW includes 50 built-in stitches that cover a wide range of utility, decorative, heirloom and quilting stitch functions, and your entire selection of built-in stitches is printed on the front of your machine, for easy reference. Simply select your desired stitch on the informative LCD display screen and adjust the stitch to your specific needs. And for truly custom results, choose from the 5 one-step buttonhole styles that are actually custom sized to fit your specific buttons. For details, let's watch more.
Want to create high-end fashions, but at affordable prices? Then take a look at the Project Runway Limited Edition CS5055 PRW from Brother. You'll enjoy a range of creative options, from its many built-in stitches to a generous selection of included feet and accessories. It includes 50 built-in stitches, with stitches for quilting, decorative sewing, blind hems, and more. For even more creative options, use the included twin needle to stitch 2 parallel rows. And 5 styles of built-in one-step buttonholes are automatically sized to fit your buttons. Simply choose your stitches and settings with the push-button stitch controls and view your selections on the LCD display screen. Included are a zigzag, zipper, buttonhole, button sewing, blind stitch, overcasting, and a monogramming foot. That's a tremendous value. It's incredibly easy to swap between feet. And the digital display tells you which foot to use. With just a touch of a lever, your needle is threaded with the built-in auto needle threader, a huge time saver. The exclusive Brother Quick Set top load drop-in bobbin stays in place and helps provide even stitch quality for fine sewing. No need to pull up the thread before use, and it's easy to see when you're low on thread. A horizontal spool pin, typically found only on more expensive machines, helps ensure more consistent feeding and is great for metallic and other specialty threads. The LEDs give you a super bright work area to see details, especially on darker fabrics. And there are thread cutters both on the bobbin and on the side. The exceptional feed system helps move the fabric smoothly for more precisely formed stitches. Listen to how quiet this machine is. Quilters love that this machine allows them to do free motion quilting, plus you'll love how easy the instructions are to follow. Enjoy all the great built-in features, including accessories and Brother support, with the versatile CS5055 PRW from Brother.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.